Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2012 P388 true heavy haul to show you this afternoon. Got it hot, gonna do a full walk around. It's built with a factory 600 ISX Cummins, 18 speed, full double frame, full lockers. It's got 20 fronts, 20 drop, 46 rears. Nice headache rack and wet kit as well. It's got 398,000 miles. Again, I've gotten it hot. Gonna do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, and finish up on the inside. Let's go ahead and get started. Blow-by looks great. Dual steering gearboxes. Excellent floats, 4 1/4. Body and paint looks really good. Grill surround, headlights, all that's in really good shape. If you look close, you got one little ding on the top part of that fender right there. You wouldn't see probably if I didn't point it out. Steps and tanks in really good shape. Some flaking on this headache rack paint on each side of it there. Overall in good shape. Stainless doors look nice. Frame rails are nice and clean. Air track suspension. Nice long slide. All aluminum wheels. Good match virgin rubber. It does have a pintle hitch as well. Excellent brakes. Hydraulic hoses and all your airlines. Tower, drop axle control. Here's your locker switches. Interior's nice and clean, floor's in good shape. Somebody added probably for your cell phone or maybe a Qualcomm or something there. There's your miles and hours. Great low side oil pressure. Super responsive, smooth. Oil pressure jumps up exactly like it's supposed to. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also reach me anytime by email, joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.